is the happiest side. Hold on. Hey, Detour, watch it. Which side is the happiest side? Is it on the left-hand side? Is it on the right-hand side? Is it in the middle? Well, we're gonna see which side is the happiest side. On the right-hand side, are you sleeping? In the middle, are you sleeping? Hey, left-hand side, you're not gonna let them get away with that. On the left-hand side, are you sleeping? Okay. Let's see. Hey, Stevie, you think your side is the happiest side? Your side is the happiest side? Oh. On the right-hand side, say this. Say this. Black, black. In the middle, say black, black. Hold on there. On the left-hand side, say yo. So you're saying that the left-hand side is more happier than the right-hand side? Trust me. This crowd is so nice. So nice people here. I can see freedom. Say freedom. Is it nice to be free? Black, black roses blooming in my garden. Oh, yo, yo. Black roses in my garden. See black roses blooming in my garden. Oh yeah. To keep and care it, you've got to water it. See. To keep and care it, you've got to water it. So you see. Something special is in my garden. Got it? Black roses. In the mix. Said she didn't have a daughter, she didn't have a son. See if the lift doesn't work, run up the stairs and come. And if you don't come quick, you're not gonna see your son. So I grab a bunch of roses and I started to run. Hey, right? Whoa. 2 months later, she said, come and get your son. Cause I don't want your baby to come tie me down, not because you are old. Well, while I'm young, guess I wanna have some fun, run me down. Should what whoa. See, yes, okay. Over the oceans and over the seas, all of the girls them vote for me. Oh me. Should whoa. See, I'm broad. Yes, over the oceans and over the seas, all of the girls them vote for me. Ooh wee. Should whoa. See, I'm broad. say stop. You say run that track. Come on. London, are you sleeping? So you want some more? If you want some more, just say, run that track. Say what? That's right. Run that track. Run that track. Run that track. Run that track. Run the fucking track. Broad, I'm broad. Yes, sir. Okay, stop. Run that. I can't hear you. What? Okay. I'm gonna tell you. Say what? Tell him this. Run that fucking track. See, I'm broad. I'm broader than Broadway. Yes, sir. I'm broad. Okay, part two. Part two. Low. Low. Yes, part two. This is part two. Part two. Doing, making love, the girl tell me to come. Says she want the daughter cause she already have the son. And if I don't come quick, I can't forget it. So I draw for me jinxing and I take one sip. Should I see me just a gallop like I also get whipped? Come quick. Whoa. She said. She said you are love and not another. Although some men change, but I know you will never. Gonna love you forever. Sweet, sweet love. Yeah, she gives me forever. She give me love forever. I just reached the airport and I buy a ticket. But the airport that the landlord said that was Gatwick. Reach a jet star, type at the Lex. I was typing to my next girl when near Paulette. Simone hear that and Simone get vexed. All of a sudden she draw for her ex. But her ex couldn't kiss and he couldn't caress. Due to our free base, he didn't have a chest. She have to confess that I am the best. Cause of me take the S off of Superman's chest. Take off the B off of Batman belly. Now we making love so bad, just let it to the go. So, can I go home now?